So today we're at Holzbrau Herzbruck, which is a prefab company in Austria. They're almost 100 years old and they've agreed to show us around and have a look at how they build these high quality, high performance homes.
We always put the wooden houses on a concrete
Plinth.
Yeah, we call that a hob.
hopper.
A hob. H-O-B, hob.
A hob, yeah. And in Austria and in Europe we have what we call Normen. That's not what this is, Normen, which is a sort of standards. They are written down and they are European standards and they are Austrian standards and they're mostly the same, but a little bit different. And the standards say you have when you build a wooden house, you have to put it on the hob, and that has to be 30 centimeters from the other area.
From the natural ground.
From the natural ground.
Yeah.
Right.
So that it doesn't get wet.
Okay.
That's one thing. Rain that comes up to here, and the other thing is when there's heavy rain. Sometimes it increases or it floods a bit, so that you have.
And also can still absorb some moisture slowly.
That's very important. But that's important on the whole world. It's not Austrian, typical Austrian, but in here it's written in the standards.
Yeah. It looks like you have 3 types of insulation there, is that correct?
Different kinds.
Or 4?
Yeah, it's all mixed together to show people how it works. And then we have the framework, which is built with what we call KVH, KVH, which are
Yeah, I can imagine.
this kind of stuff, which are just normal, wood.
Yeah.
And we get them delivered to the company in Stangen, in wooden bars.
Yes.
That are 13 meters long. 13, yeah.
Wow.
There comes the truck with a lot of those bars, all the one package. One package in one dimension, and we get eight different dimensions, and we put them in our storage, and when we need it, we just take it out.
Okay.
And those 13-meter long bars, they are made out of different long parts.
Oh, finger jointed.
They're joined together with a system. We call it Verzahnung.
Like a finger?
Teeth, sort of finger with glue, and then the strength of
that joint
is proved
as stable.
It's the same as if it would be one.
And for the static, Berechnung? Calculation, for that calculation. That's not
the weak point. It's still the timber.
Yeah, it's always the timber with those
the knots.
With the knots.
Like this.
With the knots.
Yeah.
So we have those 13-meter long bars, and they are one more good thing is the bars they are dry. They have 18%.
18%.
18, yeah.
Okay.
And they are equal. And that's the thing we work with.
They can statisch berechnen.
Und sind statisch zu berechnen.
They're all the same. So
Mm.
you can calculate the statics or
And
Yep.
you calculate it as a full wood bar.
Yep.
That's the calculation for those.
Okay.
And the buildings we built, this is the inside,
Yep.
this is the outside,
Yep.
inside, outside.
Yep. Yep.
And on the inside, it's always, was heißt dichter?
aber dicht gegen was?
Dicht gegen Dampfdiffusion, heißt es bei uns.
Yeah. Okay. So it's
Was haben wir gesagt, dichter?
airtight.
It's
Airtight?
airtight.
It's more airtight on the
Diffusion,
inside.
yeah, this is
no,
diffusion.
you know, the diffusion can't go in, but if something goes in, it can easily go out.
Yes. Yeah.
And the difference from here to here is more than 1 to 10.
Right.
Das zieht wirklich raus, das
So, and that's the second important thing for me in building wooden houses.
Yeah.
The first was that it's 30 centimeters away from the ground,
Yes.
and the second is that it's tighter
Here.
inside
Mhm.
and open on the outside.
Mm.
And so to make that more airtight inside, are you using a special material?
Yeah,
This here.
this here.
Yeah.
We're using either
Membrane. Yep.
membrane.
Yeah. So
yeah,
Proclam or Intello or something.
Yeah, Progima and,
Yeah.
and or
That's what we use.
30 years ago it was just plastic, and now they are of course special things.
Mhm.
And in the corner or where you come to another material,
Yes.
you put a type on it, type on it, so that it's
Fixed.
I think Sven is very much interested in passive house.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we Andy
That's
and
the
I
same.
are doing
That's-
passive house.
and
Yeah.
that's the same. That's it.
Yeah.
The passive house is the
And so
passive
you're
house is
using this here is
in here and here and here.
yes.
So that there's no way for the air coming
Yes.
to the outside
Yeah.
or in the construction.
Perfect. Yeah, that's good.
And this is most of the buildings we use. Jetzt fangen wir die deutschen Sachen schon wieder an. Dazu, wenn ich mache.
Is it OSB?
Right, it's OSB.
OSB
We
board?
have it.
Yeah, like this one here. Like this.
Yeah, look better than me. This is the OSB on the inside.
But that is so you
And this is-
always
And this is Fundaplan.
Okay. Wunderplan. That's like an
Yeah.
MDF,
It looks
isn't
like MDF,
Yeah.
like a
Yeah,
fine
it's,
particle board.
it's like MDF, but it's more it's dichter. It's
more airtight.
more airtight. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay.
And it's just made out of wood,
Yeah.
and under pressure
Mhm.
with wooden ingredients, it gets so hard.
With heat or no heat?
I'm not sure. I think
Okay.
I think just pressure.
Just pressure. Okay. Well, the pressure would probably make
Yeah.
heat with friction. So the OSB, you're doing the OSB and the frame and the insulation here in the factory.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So
So this is on this side.
Yeah.
Or this.
Okay.
Or you use
The membrane.
the
Yeah.
membrane.
Yeah.
Those three we have.
In the factory here, which parts are you putting together?
We just
Factory.
we as a company we just put together the bars
Yeah.
and the OSB.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. And then you truck that
And
to
then
the
we
side.
truck it to we do the rest on
On the building side.
on the building side.
Okay.
But of course, there are companies in Styria and Austria who do the whole thing in the company.
Mm.
But we, as we have often very small buildings, as we have different types of building, as sometimes people, the owner of the buildings work with us
I see.
here.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's our system,
Yeah.
and we just do that.
Yeah.
And the rest we do it on the building side.
Die gesagt, die Steifigkeit und das gibt alles das Ding.
Die Steifigkeit gibt die OSB auch.
Okay, so stability and everything is from this OSB.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this
To stop this.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
stability.
Yeah.
Or we have of course walls that make stability in the
Yeah.
other
So
direction.
the
Yes.
construction itself.
In the
Yeah.
joints.
Into the joints. Yeah.
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 Okay.
And we calculate those stability, and then we
Yeah.
have the different.
So you don't need the OSB potentially. You could do it otherwise.
We could do it otherwise as well.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can see XPS, I think,
Yes.
and
Yes.
then maybe cellulose.
XPS is just a material. We don't use it ourselves because we give this part, the grey part, we give to a master,
Yeah, a builder or
a builder,
contractor.
yeah, a contractor.
Yep.
Yeah.
We don't do that ourselves,
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so
and we don't have that material here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because just a very little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we start here.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see.
So I think there's cellulose and wood fibre and some mineral wool as the rest of the.
So this
Yeah.
is a wood fibre.
Das ist
Insulation?
we call it Holz, wood,
Yep.
Weichfaserplatte.
Okay. Weichfaser.
Weichfaser, which means soft,
Yep.
soft material.
Mhm.
Uh,
And this is like Gutex or Styco.
Genau, Steinkohl.
Yeah.
And the
vapor can go through that.
It could go through.
Can diffuse, yeah.
And we fill it either with newspaper.
Yeah, cellulose. Yeah,
Or that's wooden
fibers.
fibers.
Yeah, okay. And does this achieve the same insulation as this?
Yes,
per thickness?
they're more or less the same. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And we have a lot of different types of
Timber.
timber.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Because it comes out of the tradition that the carpenters they just they took the material out of the wood, and then they most of, let's say 50 years ago, they just took it out of the wood, and they cut it special for that building.
Mm-hmm.
So they always cut it the one they wanted to use
Yeah. Okay.
or what they needed.
Mm-hmm.
There wasn't from the
Ventilation.
ventilation. We don't really have it very often.
Okay.
was ist das?
Klima.
Ach so.
Oh well, yeah,
Air
it's not
conditioning.
air conditioning, but it's Luft.
Austausch, ja, Zwangsluft.
So heat recovery.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Zender and
Yeah.
these companies are making these units. Pichler.
Yeah, we normally work with not here because we couldn't build the roof to the outside.
Mm.
Normal we have a natural shade.
Yeah.
So that the sun doesn't come to the inside.
But here you have blinds.
In
Yeah.
Austria, like for the family houses, we usually, up to now, most people don't need air conditioning. So you try to position a house so that the sun is not coming straight into big house, or you put some shades or covers so that
Yeah.
you can live without air conditioning.
Keep them cool. Yeah.
Keep it cool.
And during night, it normally is cool enough to cool it down again.
Yeah.
The house.
Yep.
The heat doesn't come from the outside. The heat doesn't come to the inside.
Yes.
And during the night, it cools down, and then the next day it already comes. The heat comes a bit to the inside, and it cools it down again. So that's the way it works.
Yeah.
So we don't really need the air
And so, with our climate changing and things getting hotter, do you think you will start to do some air conditioning in the buildings, or have a provision that you can add it one day?
Yeah, we people think about that, and as a lot of houses have PV-Anlagen, photovoltaic
Mm-hmm.
on on the roofs.
Yeah, yeah. Solar panels.
Yeah, you could use it in the summer because there's a lot of sun, and you could use that for, of course, for the air conditioning. Because normally you have too much energy during summer, and not so much in the other
But
power failure.
I think air conditioning starts right now because summers are getting hotter.
Yeah.
But the thicker you make the, you call it insulation, isolation?
Yeah, insulation.
Yeah.
My bricks are 50, the brick wall.
Yep.
So it's just brick and then hard for put.
Yeah.
So this is usually in summer I have 22, 23 degrees inside without air conditioning.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
And you just keep the doors and windows closed during daytime,
To
and,
keep the
and
heat.
keep the heat outside, and just open them in the evening when the sun is gone.
Yeah.
It's actually working quite good.
Yeah.
And if you have lots of glass, you need some kind of, like if you have a heating in the floor with this sort of pipes, you can put that in the
wall.
the wall, and then you can turn like the heating.
You can see it in here.
Yeah.
We have it.
And so
we have it free down here. So that's the way it works.
And then that is the clay rendering on the top.
Again, that's the clay.
And that's quite thick. That looks like it's 20
Yeah.
millimeters. Huh?
Yeah, that was the time when we had more clay.
Yeah.
Now we just have 8 millimeters.
And the pipe is thinner when you do that?
No, then when you have the pipe, you
have to make it thin.
You have to make it thin.
Yeah. But the clay works well because it can absorb any moisture from condensation.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if the pipe is a bit cold, then the clay works too.
And even the painting must be sort of clay as well.
Yeah, understand.
So sort of, or
Chalk, I think we found out before. So
not clay. It's what's his kalk?
Chalk.
Chalk.
yeah.